I don't know what anything smells like anymore.
You don't open your mouth that big when you're famous.
Oh, you
just keep your mouth shut.
We're just gonna take the pills though.
I see some people off camera laughing at me, and I think I look beautiful. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Beauty Break. It is Taylor Swift week.
That felt far more anticlimactic than I hoped it would. So, guys, this is actually authentic Taylor Swift confetti that comes with her merch, which we may or may not be wearing right now.
We actually look very, very, very cute. And right now, we're gonna...
Oh, it's just like a heartbeat?
Isn't it cute? Yours says, you can't spell awesome without me. Today, unlike never before, we are going to be testing out all of Taylor Swift's favorite beauty products.
As long as we're not like trying to be her and like bake and like do all the crafty things, because that would just be a very big fail of an episode.
100%.
How did you do that?
I baked it off, Jim.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so we have a lot of stuff to try. Let's just start.
Let's get started.
Okay, so before we go into her favorite things, should we go with one of her actual like own products?
I would love that. This is what Taylor Swift smells like. It's a fragrance based off her own personal aroma.
It's just her pheromones bottled. This reminds me of kind of like very like Austin Powers-y.
I love it. It's very Roberto Cavalli.
Ew.
So you have Taylor
no.
by Taylor Swift.
And then that is Enchanted Wonderstruck, but this is just Wonderstruck.
Dang.
It's like a 2.0. And then we have Incredible Things. Let's try. Okay.
So we have some swatches here.
This is
Damn!
I don't not like it, but it's very
grandmother,
mom.
very grandmother.
Yeah, like I don't feel like Taylor's main fan base is.
She's truly timeless.
She's
though.
trying to like
You
help
know?
them elevate their classiness.
Ooh, ooh! This smells expensive. Do they sell this at CVS?
Oh, I like that. I always wonder, like, when someone's developing perfumes, because people like very different perfumes. So it's like, do you just go with what you like, or do you have to kind of be like, oh, I don't know, let's find something very kind of like general that everyone might like?
I feel like if you want to make money, you have to think about it like that. But if you're like, I love my own smell.
Like, do you think
then
this is
you just
really
do
Taylor
whatever.
Swift's favorite scent?
Maybe.
Probably not, because she came out with a bunch of other ones.
Wonderstruck. This is the oldest one. It's a very cute bottle. It's very Aladdin chic.
It does kind of look like you would rub it and make some wishes.
It's a thimble, too. Look at that. Multitasking. Okay, hold that paper out.
Okay.
Okay. Now spray it around. Or
It's like a Polaroid. You're not supposed to do that. I like it, but this does smell literally like something my mom would wear.
it smells very aged.
The bottle looks mom-like, but it does not smell mom-like. This bottle looks more youthful and smells a little older, but I feel old, so I actually really like it.
You're an old soul.
Yeah.
Should we move on to Wonderstruck, Enchanted Wonderstruck?
That one is potent. That also smells like a mom perfume, because like, you know, like your mom puts on like 2 spritzes of perfume and you can smell it for like weeks.
Yes.
Like it will never go away. It's very overpowering.
This comes with a thimble as well. We could each leave with a thimble.
Great.
For
They're
one
all
year.
so different, and then this was just like, oh, I'll try another one out, change the color.
Well, maybe they wanted to just like change the smell slightly.
It's like Coke and Cherry Coke.
Yes, exactly. This is her cherry Coke.
Perfect, okay.
All right, what does it say on here? Did you take
I
a
don't know
little-
what anything smells like anymore. This smells really nice, but it's much more subtle than
The other.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think
So
this
it's
is the
like,
cherry
this is
Coke.
the diet version.
Yeah. I love how everything goes
So
back
many
around to
notes,
soda.
Obviously, it's the only thing I relate to.
This is the most recent that came out in 2014.
I really, really like the packaging. It's cute
too.
watercolor, and it's like her silhouette, but then it's actually her painted on the back.
It's be cute.
It's too much.
No, not too much. Oh. It's like a fruit salad. Doesn't it smell like?
I want it in a candle. I feel like I lost its.
Like a fruit salad with some shavings of vanilla or coconut.
You are literally just like saying different scents.
You're
at this
right.
point. Well, it's a little overwhelming, and I can't
Cloud
really
of
tell what
fragrance.
smells like what anymore. But I think that this is my rating. It goes,
Wow, bold choice.
1, 2, 3, 4. But honestly, I'd probably wear any of them.
I would probably say Old Lady Crystal Pearl first, fruit salad second, thimble number 1 Diet Coke, thimble number 2 Coke. I don't know. They
I
all.
don't know what's going on. I literally, we have to try products.
Okay.
We should have done the perfume last.
As you guys know, if you're a true Swiftie, Taylor was on the cover of Elle magazine, and inside of its pages, she talked about 30 things she learned before turning 30. And number 15 on the list is all about her vitamin regimen, which includes
Should I go through this list before I turn 30? Is it like?
Oh, you should. L-theanine, which is good for stress and anxiety, and magnesium for muscle health and energy. Okay, you're supposed to take 1 to 2 daily.
Well, you're supposed to go to the doctor to find out how much you need. Not that I think you can take too much, but if you're not taking enough, or you can.
Right, so before you go home and do this yourself, definitely talk to your doctor.
We're just gonna take the pills though.
Cool, well, I want to test this out for a while. I might check in later.
We can't give you an immediate
and let you know how it's going for me if I feel stronger and less stressed out. So now we're gonna move on to some skincare products that we're actually very familiar with from Kate Somerville, which Taylor loves.
We have oil-free moisturizer.
And then this is the deep tissue repair.
Oh, that's so nice.
Isn't it
Is it that
great?
you're only supposed to use
Well, it gives you the perfect dollop.
That's what you're only supposed to use one?
Yeah, and then the other great part is that you're not sticking your finger and contaminating a bunch of very expensive lotion.
My nails are always disgusting, and I feel like they're always a little long, and if you're scooping stuff out of things, that's not.
Who knows what little morsels of goodness are getting up in your lotions. Are you grossed out now?
Morsels of goodness.
Great.
I am not the best person to be reviewing moisturizers because it doesn't matter how goopy or thick it is. My skin's so dry that it's just
Absorbing all of it.
yeah. For just the moisturizer, it's 65. But what I have to say is that I personally have a big problem with overusing products that I'll if it's in a tube, I'll put way too much and then I'm oh no, what do I do? And I wash it off. If this is giving you serving sizes.
Exactly, I know it is.
Then I feel like it helps you not use it all at once. And I don't know, I feel like this would last a long time.
It does last.
I would go through I've gotten a Neutrogena one from the grocery store and it's a pump, and I've gone through that in a week.
Exactly.
But this would last a couple months.
No, and you don't need very much either. I mean, this is $150.
It's a little pricier. Also, we're saying that feels more of a bonus. You don't need that.
Exactly.
Moisturizer is a good basic that you could have. That feels if you're feeling splurging.
All right, let's move along to some of Taylor's beauty products that she's used. We have 2 different colors of lipstick. And these are Loved Craft Beauty, which I've never heard of, but if Taylor likes it, I'm here for it.
And
It's
she's
probably
also
amazing.
branched out from her
Red
old school red.
We have that later, though.
It's more of a
It's a plum.
fuchsia.
It's a nice little fuchsia plum. All right, Lil, do you want what's on the cover? Which is the more plummy fuchsia. Or would you like to try this color?
I like that.
Okay, cool. So you are going to be trying...
I'm not very good at applying dark lipstick myself. But
Demetria.
this feels weird. Are they all
Yeah.
named after? No, well, this isn't her makeup.
And this one is Francel.
I'm did she name it after her fellow pop stars?
I actually like this for pink. I usually don't do lipstick.
Okay. I'm just not good at applying it. Stop putting pressure on me. From far away, does it look okay? Up close, it looks like shit. But,
No,
you know,
it doesn't.
baby
I don't
steps.
think so.
How do you get it from not one getting kind of crusty almost, or two
Well, first you have to exfoliate your
no, but I just feel the color even where it stops.
Oh,
it's
you don't
so,
open your mouth that big when you're famous.
Oh, you
you
just-
just keep your mouth shut all the time. You just smile like this. We're going to test out this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick, and I love.
Shimmer brick.
Yeah, have you ever seen these?
No.
I'm obsessed. So this is one of Taylor's tried and true products. I think this is one of the best products on the market. I love it.
I have seen this actually.
It's a brick of different shimmers. The thing I like about it is that you can put your whole entire brush in there and do this situation, or if you're a gal on the run and you just want to
I was a little confused why there were so many, but it seems like you would do it all at once.
or you could go like this and just sweep it like that right at the top,
doesn't feel very precise.
and then you can just get a nice little shimmer up here. See that it's so smart how the shimmer is at the top, and then this is literally a contour, dark, darker, a little blush and dark, so that it really shapes your face naturally. Here, let me help you. But look at how the highlighter is in the right place. It's kind of
I like
crazy,
it.
right?
Okay, so now we're gonna do the iconic 13. Ready?
I'm stoked.
Do you have a lucky number?
I like most numbers.
This was the actual paint she used? Okay, so this is very authentic. Let's see if what's her mom's name?
Kathy. Andrea. It's similar.
You're such a fake fan. Let's see if I'm as good as Andrea. I almost said Kathy.
I know what her mom looks like though.
I do too, actually.
Yeah.
Was it like a one, like with the thing and the bottom?
It's a fancy old person one.
That's actually how I draw my ones, so it's fine.
1 hour later.
Wow, that looks truly gorgeous.
Thanks.
Wow.
Taylor, if you need someone to write on your hand for future.
Now it's about to get dark, I feel. Do you want a tinier brush? This one's
Literally,
littler.
because this is black.
2 hours later.
This is like oddly relaxing.
3 hours later.
I think this could have been the whole
Something so
episode.
random.
This is taking so long.
6 hours later.
Ta-da! If you need me
Damn,
for face painting skills.
Wow,
I'm
that's
not
gorgeous.
available.
We should try out some of the hair chalk. Taylor is in the midst of this like very whimsical, happy butterfly era in time. She's been rocking notably purple and blue. Pink and blue, sorry, that's what I meant. Pink and blue.
What'd you say?
I said purple as I'm holding the pink.
And these are good applicators because some of the chalk you have to like literally just hold and then it gets all over your fingers and you do it. But this, you just...
Put your hair into this little taco of fun. It comes out pretty easy.
It's gonna go on really, my hair is white, so it's definitely going to work.
Because usually these sorts of things don't work on me at all.
Yep.
Oh, that looks good.
Yep, it works. And then usually if you, depends on how specific you want to get with the colors if you were trying to do like different strands, but usually if you brush it out, it looks really good.
And it's kind of weird, but it's like adding this reflection to where you could see it in other parts of your hair. It's like,
Well, and also I just use too much purple shampoo, so it sometimes just
oh,
makes it
I was
all-
like, it looks like the rest of your hair is pink too.
But I'd worry if you do like too much though, if you're someone like me that touches their hair a lot, like it gets everywhere.
Yeah.
Or if
it's
you have
true.
long hair, it's gonna get all over your clothes.
But this does come out very easily because I had it all over my white shirt from last time we did this and it washed right out.
oh my God, you've really got it all over the floor. It's definitely washable,
cool.
but if you're out and you suddenly have to
Hug
take
someone
all
and you're
of-
like,
yeah.
sorry.
Oh, didn't even think about
You know.
that.
Up next, Taylor Swift, the freaking cat wing eyeliner situation. She really like brought that to the forefront.
She doesn't do that anymore.
Maybe even before Ariana Grande, honestly.
Does she even wear eyeliner anymore, really?
Not on the cover of Elle magazine.
Okay, Taylor, I retired too after high school.
Would you like to go for a cat wing eyeliner?
Sure.
Great, go for it.
Okay, so I do it wrong, but I pull my eyelashes and everyone's gonna be like, no, I couldn't even what. And then I start on the outside.
Dang, you still got it, dude.
Literally the first time I've done this in at least 3 years. Oh, that didn't work.
It looks cool though with the lip. I like
Kind
it.
of.
It's very Swift of you.
Ta-da! I hope it's one of those situations where it looks better on camera than it does up close in this mirror, but just call me Taylor Swift. The marker's a little thick for my liking.
That's more of a bold look. It's more Ariana Grande.
Well, I mean, that is a look that people do sometimes.
I see some people off camera laughing at me and I think I look
I don't know why, I
beautiful.
think you look just like Taylor Swift.
Close your eyes.
You look exactly like Taylor Swift.
I get stopped all the time saying, Taylor Swift, is that you? I'm like, huh, no, but I did see her at brunch once.
Red lipstick.
Ooh, yes.
Get back in the time machine. Okay,
Oh.
guys, so this is the actual red lipstick. It's called Dragon Girl Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So she uses it, it's almost like a lip liner, I feel like, that she uses for the whole thing.
And I think the way she probably achieves this like really great bold red is probably, she probably puts on foundation first and then like some sort of like matte and then puts this on because that's how you get that like thicker look. Again, this isn't something you smile with.
I just feel like there's always such a difference. Like that's why the only lip color I ever really use is like kind of a variation of like the
Your
actual
own
color.
color,
of my lips.
yeah. What's your favorite Taylor Swift song?
Sparks Fly.
Chop everything now.
I think mine's Red. That whole album I really loved. Okay, so to summarize all of this, what would you say has been your favorite item out of all of these Taylor Swift beloved items?
I love Perfume. I still can't really remember which one because I think it messed with my brain cells.
I'm gonna go with probably the Bobbi Brown
Oh yeah, that was good
brick
too.
because I swear by this
Actually,
and I
I'm
love this.
insulted. What about your 13?
Oh, well, that goes without saying, obviously. This work of art is priceless,
Hold
Lily.
that close to your heart.
Right here. Well, this has been a really, really exciting kickoff to Taylor Swift Week.
I agree, and there's so much more coming, so you should probably subscribe because there's gonna be more videos.
This is just the tip of the iceberg. Don't waste any time. Speak now.
Also, let us know in the comments below who looks more like Taylor Swift.
I was trying to think of something else punny to say.
I was like, but it's neither of us.
I'm pretty bad at it.
Like,
Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you guys later.
Goodbye.
Ooh,
Sorry, I was really close to your
that
face.
was amazing though.
This wasn't the one I liked.
You guys, this has been so fun. It's Taylor Swift week. We have a lot more videos, so click right over here to check it out.
We do, and also I don't recommend spraying all 4 of her perfumes in the same smell.
Less is more, less is more. Subscribe.
Please.